And welcome back to this episode. Now, just to bring everyone up to speed, if this is your first time viewing this video. This is strictly an update video. We're doing a 10-day update to my $5,000 challenge. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then let me reference this video for you. Take $5,000 and put it into an account and buy 5 different speculative stocks. Now, speculative stocks are just that, very speculative, like throwing something up against the wall and seeing if it sticks. But with a little knowledge, a little understanding of the way the world works right now, we might be able to turn that into a profit. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that way every 10 days or so, I'm going to do an update and you can follow along with me in real time. Maybe if I'm doing good, you might want to invest alongside of me. If I'm doing bad, then you can be there and witness as I lose all my money. Now, this video is where I said we're going to borrow a little bit of money out of our nest egg and try to invest it in some speculative stocks and see if we can double our money. We'll call it the great experiment, and that's what I've been working on. Well, let's do a first update. Now, I said I was going to update every 10 days, so it's been 10 days now, and let's check the status of our nest egg. Yes, folks, as you can see, our nest egg is not real happy right now. In fact, he's crying, but that's okay. During this week, we've had some tough times. 3 of our stocks are, let's put it, solar-based as far as rockets and lunar exploration and satellite connection. And if you weren't aware, we just had that big explosion with Blue Origin's rocket. That set us back quite a bit. Now, we weren't expecting that. That happened 3 days after we did our first initial investment. So there's no way to predict that. So that affected 3 of our stocks. The other 2 are down just a little bit, but then we've had some market volatility this time because the let's call the resurgence of the war in Iran, that not being settled yet, and there's been some attacks back and forth. That's really destabilizing the market, and so we've had some down days. So, do I still feel solid about our picks? Yes, I absolutely do. Are we worried a little bit? Yeah, we're worried a little bit. We're down $500. And when we started with $5,000, well, we only have $4,500 left. So are we pressing the panic button? Not yet. Are we being observant and mindful of it? Absolutely, folks. So in the great experiment, I would say all's not lost yet. It's only our first update of many. So right now we're down. But let me say, in the initial days, I believe 2 days after our investment, we were up almost $300 in stock. And then, like I said, we had the rocket explosion, and then the back and forth with the Iran war is actually hurting us right now. So that being said, we're going to go into the weekend. Today it's Friday, Friday the 4th. So we're going to go into the weekend, and hopefully things will stable out a little bit. And we're going to hope for the best for next week starting. So we'll see where we stand. Now, again, this is Friday. So 10 days from now, I will do another update and catch you up. And hopefully our nest egg will be a little bit happier by then. Fingers crossed. A little bit of luck, a little bit of prayer. Our nest egg will get happier and stop crying. All right. So that being said, that is the update, the 10-day update. I hope you're enjoying this series. And I hope it's giving you a little bit of inspiration to try and think outside the box to try and make a little bit of extra money. Now, again, do not risk anything that you cannot afford to lose. Just like in gambling, you play the market, you actually think of the market just like gambling. Do not invest if you can't afford to lose it. Now, is $5,000 going to hurt our nest egg? No, it's not. But if we can double it, is that going to help us? Absolutely. And to me, it's worth taking the chance of trying to double it. Now, that being said, we're not talking about, double is a high expectation. And it's not going to happen overnight. We're talking months. I would like to say 6 months, 4 to 6 months. We'll see some improvement, hopefully. But that's what the series is about, to kind of let you know where we start from, where we're going to, and then where we're going to get to. And quite frankly, we're both going to learn this together. So that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series. If I can, ask you to subscribe to the channel. It's going to help me out tremendously. It's not going to cost you anything. It's not going to hurt you in any way, shape, or form. But like I said, it's going to help me out tremendously. Thank you in advance. Hopefully next week or in the next 10 days, I'll report back with better news. And that way you're not going to be laughing at me for losing $500. Hopefully we're going to be gaining a little bit of momentum. Fingers crossed, folks. Until then, be safe and be adventurous.